You work all month just to survive another month. And somehow, that became normal. Every Friday, you feel relieved. Every Monday, you feel trapped again. That's not freedom. That's a subscription to survival. The scary part is, the more money you make, the more expensive your distractions become. Better phone, bigger EMI, more food delivery, more stress shopping. And suddenly your entire salary belongs to other people. Rent, apps, loans, brands, bills. You're not building wealth. You're funding a lifestyle designed to keep you exhausted enough to never question it. Because tired people don't take risks. Tired people don't start businesses. Tired people don't learn high-income skills. They just scroll, complain, sleep, and repeat the cycle. Meanwhile, social media keeps showing you luxury without showing you the debt behind it. So you keep comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel. And deep down, you know this isn't the life you imagined. You weren't supposed to spend your best years waiting for salary credit messages. That's the trap nobody warns you about.